In today's video, I am going to teach you how to suppress profiles Klaviyo. Suppressing profiles is a useful way to prevent specific people from receiving emails. It is commonly used when you have a list of contacts who should not be messaged, such as people who opted out in another system, addresses that are no longer valid, or contacts you want to exclude for compliance reasons. The process is simple, but accuracy matters, especially when you are uploading a file. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main navigation. Click Audience, and then select Profiles. This takes you to the Profiles area where Klaviyo stores your contact records. Next, go to the top right of the page and click Suppressed Profile. This opens the Suppression section, where you can add people to your suppression list, so Klaviyo stops emailing them. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the suppression area, since this is different from simply filtering or segmenting profiles. Now click Upload a file and choose your CSV file. Your CSV should contain the contact information you want to suppress. For the cleanest upload, make sure the file is saved as a standard CSV format and that the column you plan to use is labeled clearly. Also, double-check for extra spaces or blank rows, because messy formatting can cause mismatches during mapping. After selecting your CSV, you will be prompted to map fields. Map the email column so Klaviyo knows which value in your file should be treated as the email address for suppression. This is the most important part of the upload. Ensure you are mapping the correct column and that it contains valid email addresses, because Klaviyo will use this field to identify the right profiles. Once the email column is mapped, you are ready to finish. Click Suppress Profiles. Klaviyo will then process the file and add those contacts to your suppression list. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a moment. After it completes, you can return to the suppression area to confirm that the profiles were added successfully. And that covers everything you need to know.